Hello everyone, this is Ant Seoul Tower, also known as Namsan Seoul Tower. And this is Korea's first comprehensive radio tower. And now, one of the most popular tourist destinations. And of course, andito rin ang traditional love lock nila. Did you know that this tradition symbolizes unbreakable love and commitment to each other? Kilig, no? Yan naman yung makikita nyo sa baba. Well, kapag gusto mo umakyat naman sa taas, meron naman observation deck. This deck offers breathtaking panoramic views surrounding cityscape, parks, and natural landscape. Actually guys, pwede ka naman bumili dun sa mismong area, dun sa counter nila mismo pagdating mo dun. So pag naisipan mo na umakyat, go! Pero kung gusto mo makatipid, pwede kang bumili sa Klook online. Sakto today, they have summer deals at may 15% discount. Grabe, ang laki, no? Plus, kung gagamit ka pa ng Klook code na Rodian Klook, naku guys, meron pa additional 5% discount. Grab nyo na to guys, tong summer deals ng Klook. Ma-enjoy nyo rin naman sa taas. Actually, bumili nga kami nito ng cotton candy. Ayan, flower shape. So, ito binigay nga sa akin ni Hubby. Thanks, Hubby. Ang sarap nito. Yum! What are you waiting for? Book now. Kasi guys, 888 yung original price nito. But ngayon, last 15% discount. So, grab mo na to. Murang-mura na to. Click the link in bio. Nandun ang summer deals na link. Again, thank you for watching!